Good morning, everyone. Look what are we up to here today. We are solving problems. So I don't know if you guys, if you've been following the channel, you would know that I already, not long ago, I put a brand new port side engine on this bad boy, which is everything on the channel if you want to go back and watch that. But the way I dropped that engine in, considering my boat's already still on the water, I backed up my boat on that corner over there because there's a parking lot there. See, so I backed up the boat there, and then I hired a big truck crane, and then the crane came and did the swap for me, right on that corner over there. And a pretty cool episode, it's on the channel if you want to go back and watch it. And but this time they are super busy this time of the year, and I haven't met the owner of that boat there yet, so I was kind of just wanting to get it done. I hate waiting for things. So what I have done is I bought a crane from Harbor Freight, and this is already the old engine. The new engine is in there already. But I'm gonna roll the episode of us going through. It wasn't easy, of course. Every time you do something for the first time, there's always a little hiccups. I did have to upgrade this hoist though. The one that came with this literally broke as we were trying to pull the engine out of the boat. It broke, so I'm glad that it broke as the engine was all the way down there still. But all right, I'm gonna let the episode the cranking play, and hope you guys enjoy it. Here the crane was swinging quite a bit, so I figured that would help release some of the pressure off and stop the swinging. From this point on, we are all invested. It's all or nothing. The arm of the crane turned out not to be long enough, so me and my friend had to reasonably pull on the engine to bring it farther in so we could bring it to place.
All the way down. All right.
It doesn't look like from this angle, but we are quite pulling on the engine to have it on that position. So we slide it into place. It was a little bit tricky, but after a little time, we got it in place. Thank you for watching, guys. I know that was like quite nerve-wracking, but here's the crane right now. Of course, this is a different day, but I'm kind of a numbers guy, and each of these anchors with the proper sealant that's in there is supposed to take up to 4,000 pounds of pressure, you know. So considering that, you know, 1,000 pounds here might mean some other number here, but you know, I have 6 of them. This is like in solid rock on this seawall. So I was kind of, you know, counting on that, you know, like, you know, 2 of my friends and me, like, you know, hanging on this thing. So this thing's solid there. But it was kind of nerve-wracking, you know, but I couldn't wait for that ordeal anymore. I just wanted to get it done, and we did get it done. And I kind of like it having on the side of the seawall here now. You know, I can use it for all these projects we got. Like, you know, we got this Commodore here with the heads off right now. This is gonna be like a fun project right there. You know, of course, the South is getting the 2nd new engine on, and then we're gonna start the Nuvadura there very soon, and the pontoon needs some love too. And well, that boat there is gonna be getting a gel coat job very soon too. So we got a lot of great content coming up. So if you're not yet, consider subscribing, and I see you guys in the very next episode. Thank you.